Itong programang ito, this is a realization of our commitment to the efficient and effective functioning of our irrigation systems. This goes beyond the provisions of just the provisions of new machinery. It also empowers our NIA regional offices, the irrigators associations, our farmer beneficiaries, to ensure the sustainability of our irrigation systems to avoid losses and to promote more efficient use of water resources that will in turn produce better and more crops. Today, we distribute 148 units of heavy equipment such as excavators, dump trucks, tractors with trailers to the NIA regional offices around the country. By 2025, we will roll out the third tranche of equipment amounting to around 1 billion pesos. This investment in our irrigation infrastructure attests to our unwavering commitment to supporting the backbone of our economy, the agricultural sector. Through our refleeting program, we can instantly repair and build more irrigation facilities that were damaged by natural calamities, stand strong against the challenges of shifting climate change. It is more important now, as many parts of the country are still recovering from the onslaught of Typhoon Karina and Buchoy. Of course, the provision of these machineries is just one of the NIA's efforts to ensure food security. Its bigger role is in the provision of water for crops through the construction and repair of irrigation facilities. With these machines and with this equipment to optimize our irrigation systems, the NIA has provided services to more than half of our national irrigation systems and communal irrigation systems. We will not stop to find solutions that work for our farmers. We remain steadfast in our efforts to employ sustainable technologies to meet our irrigation needs. Ating pinapalawig ang mga makabagong pamamaraan sa pagsasaka at sa patubig. Pinapalakas ang ugnayan sa pagitan ng ating mga magsasaka at ng pamahalaan. At binibigyan natin ng suporta ang ating mga magsasaka upang makamit ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap at adhikain. Bilang kapalit, sana po ay patuloy po kayong magpupursige upang paunlarin ang inyong mga sakahan at nang sa gayon ay magbunga ng masaganang ani ang inyong mga pagsisikap. Tunay nga po na basta sama-sama, mapapatagumpay natin ang kahit anumang pagsubok. Sa ating pagkakaisa, lalo pa sa ating pagpapalakas ng sektor ng agrikultura para sa kinabukasan ng ating bansa. Patuloy po tayong naghahanap ng mga solusyon upang mapabuti ang gawaing pagsasaka at mapataas ang inyong ani at ang inyong kita. Kaya tayo po ay magtulungan upang makamit ang isang maunlad at masaganang bagong Pilipinas.